Hi, I'm using the QR code generator. It's a free one. I'm going to show you the steps in that. If you go to the show notes, theguyarcookreport.podbean.com, and look for how to use the free QR code generator, it'll walk you right through it. The steps are basically you put the URL in for where you want the click to go. You set the colors, and they can be gradient colors, different on the top and on the bottom, which is kind of neat. You can add a logo image, so if you've got a logo, just upload it. And then under custom designs, take a look at that, because then you can do like branded. YouTube is one that comes to mind because I'm using that right now for the playlist for the Guy R. Cook Report on YouTube. But you can upload an MP3, a PDF file, anything you want to use, and the QR code can be handled there. So do go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Look for the notes on how to use the free generator. I think you're going to get use out of that and increase your traffic. It's for. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap.
And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.